Hi, this is Hasham and you are watching IMTV. Today we are going to discuss muddy issue and why does this happen. The major component in an engine's exhaust fume is carbon monoxide, along with a host of other poisonous gases. Carbon monoxide in large amounts in closed spaces is deadly. Basically, carbon monoxide replaces the oxygen in your blood, leads to a slow asphyxiation. When a person inhales large quantities of carbon monoxide, it can lead to a rapid death because blood cells are suddenly drained of oxygen. Every cell in the body needs oxygen to function. Carbon monoxide replaces oxygen in the hemoglobin and converts into carbon oxyhemoglobin that renders the cell unless and prevents the function of tissues. This state is known as hypoxia, which can make a person experience intense headache, dizziness, and confusion. If the person is awake and aware, they can escape death quickly by stepping outside of the car. But when they are asleep or under the influence of alcohol, they will not realize that they are being poisoned and it will be a silent death. Unfortunately, through exhaust fumes, we have an unidentifiable stench. Carbon monoxide is an odorless gas, which makes it hard to realize how much of you are inhaling in a closed space. Whether in garages or even in home basements, we must always take caution before running the engine for too late or for too long. Another reason for such deaths is malfunction of AC. When the AC is old or damaged, the air circulation system is disrupted and the air inside does not get replenished sufficiently. This leads to a spike in toxic gases, leads carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Maintenance is key. Have your car's exhaust system checked every year, especially before taking your car for a long distance journey. Have your AC system checked and get repair done if there is any damage, blockage or clogged filters. When you are traveling, if you have to sleep in your car or stay inside of a car for a long time, ensure that you take a short breaks now and then by stepping out of the car or the vehicle. If you are sleeping inside a stationary car with the AC on, leave the window partially open to ensure there is some air circulation. It is strongly suggested that sleeping inside the car must be avoided as much as possible. Instead, look for a rest area like a hotel where you can be safe and sleep comfortably. Thank you so much.